Students, in this class we are going to discuss about air conditioning system. Let us see the introduction of the air conditioning system. Air conditioning is the process of altering the properties of air to more favorable conditions. The control of these conditions may be desirable to maintain the health and comfort of the occupants. In 1902, the first modern electrical air conditioning unit was invented by Wills Carrier in Buffalo, New York. The first air conditioner designed and built in Buffalo by Carrier began working on 17 July 1902. Let us see about the types of air conditioning system. There are 4 types of air conditioning system. One is window air conditioning system, second one is split air conditioning system, and third one is central air conditioning system, and finally package air conditioning system. We will see one by one. Let us see window air conditioning system. Window air conditioners are one of the most commonly used and cheapest type of air conditioner. The picture shows the window air conditioning system. Window air conditioner units are reliable and simple to install to keep a room cool while avoiding the costly construction of a central air system. Next one is split air conditioning system. The split air conditioner comprises of 2 parts. One is the outdoor unit, another one is the indoor unit. The outdoor unit fitted outside the room houses components like the compressor, condenser and expansion valve are fitted in the outdoor unit. The indoor unit comprises the evaporator or cooling coil and the cooling fan. So it is the split air conditioning system. The next one is package air conditioning system. The window and split air conditioners are usually used for the small air conditioning capacities up to 5 tons. The package air conditioners are used for the cooling capacities in between these two extremes. These units are used commonly in places like restaurants, telephone exchanges, homes, small halls, etc. The picture shows the package air conditioning system. It is a circuit diagram of the air conditioning system. It has a supply. From the supply there will be 3 wires. One is ground wire, another one is neutral wire, another one is phase wire, that is the hot wire. That is given into the selector switch. Then the neutral wire is given to the wire connector. From the selector switch it is given to the fan motor. The supply is given to the fan motor. And also the supply is given to the thermostat and to the compressor motor. Then it is connected to the wire connected through the neutral wire. It is a diagram of the air conditioner. Invented technology for air conditioning system. There are 2 new invented technologies. One is district cooling system, another one is chilled beam system. We will see one by one. First one is district cooling system. The objective of this system is to centralize the production of chilled water by using district cooling plant. The generated chilled water will then be channeled to various building blocks, pre-insulated seamless underground pipes. The advantages of this system is it is used to improve energy efficiency, protect environment, save spaces, improve urban view, reduce manpower for operation and maintenance. Then chilled beam system. It is a type of convection HVAC system designed to heat or cool high-rise buildings such as commercial building. It primarily gives off its cooling effect through convection by using water to remove heat from a room. Pipes of water passed through the beam suspended short distance from the ceiling of a room. It is a type of convection HVAC system designed to heat or cool high-rise building such as commercial building. It primarily gives off its cooling effect through convection process by using water to remove heat from a room. Pipes of water passed through the beam suspended short distance from the ceiling of a room. The advantages of this system is it is simple to design and control, less mechanical space, less maintenance, increased comfort.